Hello, I'm Ray's Epic. You might already know me from the Sonic Adventure DX mod known as AI Backgrounds. This changes the backgrounds to the variants version that is seen in DALL-E, which I actually have access to if you don't know. So today I'll be teaching you how to edit animations and even create new animations in Sonic Adventure DX. This will use a lot of tools and it will probably be very long, I'm not really sure, but we're gonna do it together, and I know we will, because we are Sonic. I'm not gonna make that reference. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. First, we need to get a few tools, so let's get those tools before we start the thing. First, you'll need a copy of Sonic Adventure DX. You probably already have it, then why are you even watching this tutorial if you don't even have the game? It's pretty much useless at this point. Then, you'll need a copy of Sonic Adventure DX mod loader. You'll also need a copy of Blender and Sonic Adventure tools. It's also needed so you can actually do the thing that we have to do. Well, the animations. Anyways, let's get started by making a new project. First of all, press this button, the projects button, or for me, press the new project button, and then you'll see this. First, obviously, press PC. If you want to do any, you can choose Dreamcast, GameCube, or even the Xbox. I don't even know why Xbox is here. Then, click on here, which is a template button, by the way. If you want to do DX line table models, I haven't tested this yet, but for now, select PC SADX. Now, press create new object, new project. Okay, so then call it something. I'm just gonna call it test tutorial animation. Then click save. Now, it will basically decompile everything from the Sonic Adventure DX EXE. Yeah, that's gonna be confusing. Say DX EXE. Okay, that's really confusing to say. I'm sorry about that. Anyways, we have to wait for a while since it's gonna take a bit of time to decompile everything. But when it's done, I'll let you know. So let's just wait for a bit. Okay, so the project has finally been created. Press OK, and you'll see that these icons now appear. Oh, don't worry about these, they'll be important later. You know, later in the tutorial series, because this is just on animations. Now, let's go to Blender and set up everything. Alright, so, first of all, you'll need to go to the Sonic Adventure Blender add-on, or as it's called, Blender SA Support. I will leave a link in the description for this if you want any help. Anyways, click on the releases button here, and go down to assets, and you'll see the latest version here. Now, I already have it, so let's actually go to that version right now. So let's open up Blender. Okay. Alright, and to show you that I've fully installed this, let's go to Preferences. Now, to install this, I recommend pressing the install button, then after you download it, click on the zip file, and then press OK, and it will install it. So, Sonic Adventure Tools, okay, perfect. Now, it will be stuck on 1.7.5 right now, because the creator of this is, that's a bit something wrong, I'm not sure. Also, if you want, you can also link your SA Tools folder, which I recommend to do that if you're going to do other stuff with this. But yeah, don't update it right now, just don't update it right now. Keep it on 1.7.5. Okay, so, now, click on here, click everything here, and delete it. Also, do not keep the collection here. I recommend to not keep it. Okay, so now click on File, Import, and you'll see these two options now. These are new ones, so Sonic Adventure Model will load any model folder any model file from Sonic Adventure, and Sonic Adventure level, which will load any level file. This one, ignore it right now. It's gonna be for another tutorial. But if you want to see another tutorial, there's one for Sonic Adventure 2. It's kind of much the same. But let's load Sonic Adventure model. Okay, so go to desktop, which now you need to find a model to use for you need to find a model to use for this. So I thankfully downloaded the Dreamcast models for all the characters in here. You need, now if you downloaded this, I'll teach you how to go. So go to models, actually no, sorry. Okay, so go to objects and click on 0. Here's the full model. It's already here. Now you'll see no textures. It's alright. This normally happens when you import something. It doesn't have the textures here. Anyways, now press N. And you'll see this tab. Now you'll see a new thing called SA Tools. Click on that. You'll see this entire tab. It's really cool. I can agree with you. Now click on this and click Amateur from Object. And click OK. Now it will create an entire armature for you. And now all you have to do is delete this. It's gonna take a bit of a while, so trust me on this. It's gonna take a while to do this stuff. Okay, so now we've deleted everything and we only have the armature. So now you'll see a new option called Import Anim. So let's go over to my Sonic Adventure folder. Okay, so here's my Sonic Adventure folder. Yes, ignore this, please. Yeah, ignore that. Yeah, and also this. Anyways, now go to the folder you created, which is tutorial animation, and go to figure. Now go to Sonic, which is the character I'm using. You can also use any other character here. Models, and you'll see all the animations for Sonic here. Now the one we're going to be doing today is the weight animation. So the weight animation is S_weight0. Remember that. Okay, so now go to SA Tools, to Bin, and now paste that over there. Now there's a tool called Anim JSON Converter. Click on that, and what you want to do here is click on this. Now it will convert it to a JSON format, which can be used in Blender. Okay, so we're back in Blender, and now let's import the animation. So bin, and here you go. Okay, now you might be saying, wait a minute, Ray, where's the animation? It doesn't play at all. Well, that's a good question, my friend. I can answer that. Okay, so go to the animation tab in Blender. Now click on that. Now click on this and click on Action Editor. Now what you want to do here is press this and click on this. And look at that! The animation's right there! Now you need to arrange it so it can fit perfectly with the animation. So it stops at 31. Okay, so it stops at 31. Okay, and let's play the animation. Okay, perfect. It actually works. So now let's get on to editing the animation. Okay, so what you want to do is click on this. I'm gonna expand it a bit so you can see all of this, so don't mind me what I'm doing right now. Okay, now click on the pose mode. It's already on pose mode anyways, if you've already selected it. Now click ball. What it will do is select every single bone and all the animation keys that it has. Now click delete. And you see, nothing happens now. You basically deleted the entire animation. And that is good if you're making some custom animations. So now, let's actually just edit it a bit, and then we are good to go. There's also some tutorials on Blender on how to edit stuff like this, but this is just a focused tutorial on how to, like, adjust stuff in here, or, like, you know, make some new stuff from this. And that's really cool in my opinion. Okay, so let's do that right now. Okay, so now we're done from making the animation. So now let's actually, well, set it up. So now go back here, press A, and now you want to press I. You want to press I, and then click Location, Rotation, and Scale. This will basically do every single bone here and make an animation here. So what you want to do is make it have some animation here. So what we're gonna do now, if you've already done this, you know, location and rotation, do here is okay, good. You got a cycling animation for the arm. Now let's do it for the other arm. Now we want to move the body. So here you go. Okay, and now the head, and we can be finally done then. Okay, and we're done now. So all we need to do is export the animation. So what we want to do, go back to the SA Tools tab and press Export Animation. We want to add a 1 here so it doesn't get confused with the other one. So export JSON animation, and boom! Now we want to go back to the bin folder here, and what you want to do is open this again, and now click this. Now it will convert it back to an SAAnim format. So now we can use, now go back to the SA Tools here. Now go back to SA Tools Hub here and click the SA Model tab. This you'll use it often here. Now click Cancel and press Open. Now we have to open the model, the Dreamcast model of Sonic here. So Object 0. Now I've customized my controls for I've actually customized my controls here, so you can pretty much mess around with the controls for SA Model and other programs in here. So now load animation. Go to the bin here and click on this, and it fully works. Oh my god, it actually looks really cool, not gonna lie. Okay, so it fully works, and that's really good. You always have to do location and rotation and scale also if you want to really be that funny. Okay, so now close it and we can finally put it in game. So let's do that. Okay, so now let's actually put it in the game. So what you want to do is copy this and go back to the location for, well, you know, the animation. So go back here, models, and paste that there. Now what you want to do is remove this, and for me, remove the 1. So there you go. Now it's time for the best part, compiling the mod and making it work in the game. So what you want to do here is, first obviously you have to edit I recommend editing the project info. So okay, and 0.0. Okay, save, and now what you want to do is press the hammer button. Home to pod style, I'm not even sure. Look, I'm European, okay, so don't judge me. Okay, so now press DL data and press characters, and now press automatic, and this will check everything so it works. Now open SADX model. Now open SADX mod loader here, and yeah, I have a lot of fucking mods. Oh my god, I have a landfill of mods at this point. Okay, now there's your animation. So click on this. No, sorry. Save, and now go to debug. Yeah, there's a debug. in Sonic Adventure. So here, go to Station Square. This one is for the main hub, by the way, and click play. And now it will basically play the game. Okay. Keep in mind, I am using the CGI model for Sonic, so keep in mind that. And yeah, it actually morphs to that model. That's really cool in my opinion. Yeah, it's actually super cool. Like, literally, really cool. It actually morphs, so it's really cool. Keep in mind, CGI Sonic's model has a few, like, bugs with the SADX model, so that's why. So you know what, let's try with the Dreamcast models this time, so it actually works perfectly. Let's try with the Dreamcast models. So click here, save, and now what you want to do is Dreamcast Characters Pack. And now click play, and I think it will show up now. Okay, and now it does. Oh my god. It actually does now. Okay, so what you want to do is obviously turn off all of these so you can actually see what's happening. Okay, and let's go through. You know what? Okay. Yeah, this is a good spot. No, I hate the lighting mod so much. Okay, and boom! It does it. It actually does it. Oh my god. And that, my friends, is how you add animations and new animations to Sonic Adventure DX. I hope you guys actually enjoyed this. I've been wanting to make a tutorial of this for a long time, so it finally came, and I'm happy for that. So, thanks for watching. You can like, subscribe, thanks, and goodbye.